Hello and welcome to a video about a notebook. I'm obsessed with notebooks and pens and stuff. So this is called the HEYfold Mini. So it's from Kickstarter. I've waited quite a while for this. I'm going on holiday tomorrow, so this is ideal. So this is what it is. As I said, it's a reusable notebook system for life on the go. That's what it says. I'll put a link in the description. But let's just open it up before you get too much idea of what it is. It's a nice thank you on there. I won't show the other side because obviously that has my address. And I don't need everyone to know that. Let's have a look what we've got in here then, shall we? So we have cleaning tablets, a pen, some kind of lanyard or something. I don't know what that is. We have a case, we have the actual item, and we have lens cleaner. Right, let's have a look first then. This. Oh, look at that nice sort of wax seal. So, okay, so a HEYfold Mini notebook. Phone size, endless, reuse it. Made of Geoflex silicone and ink Vera coating, HEYfold Mini is your phone size tool for capturing ideas on the go. Write, erase, repeat, ultra slim, pocketable, always ready. Works with compatible pens for smooth writing, foldable, double-sided, designed for maximum use, magnetic back to stick to display your ideas, ideas notes, travel, everyday ideas. Minimal in form, blah, 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 blah. All right, let's have a look. Like I said, this is a reusable magnetic notepad. Oh, I like that. I don't want to destroy that. That's kind of cool. I like wax seals and stuff. It's not a real wax seal, it's rubber, so at least it won't break. The Eternal Notebook. Welcome to the world of Hey 2. We believe in, oh, Heyii, not sure. Okay, we believe in creating without limits. Our product is designed to inspire creativity, blend sustainability, versatility, and innovation to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. Share your journey with us. I shall indeed. So let's have a look. Ooh, it's really, really rubber. So, see, got the Hey logo there, and you open it up. Ooh, a little bit of extra rubber stuff. Interesting. So, this is it. This is all it is. See, it's got magnetic closure. It's also magnetic as well. I don't have anything magnetic on my table, so I can't test it. But you can stick it to radiators, fridges, whatever you want to. So that's basically what that is. Let's have a look at this. I've got a case as well, because I thought that would be quite useful. Plus, it looks quite nice. And there's a discount when you do it as a backer as well. So there's a loop there for pen. And you put credit cards there and so on. So it says it's magnetic, so it just goes pop and sits on there. Well, it should do. Doesn't seem to very well. Unless it's upside down. It's supposed to just stick there, but... oh, that closes. Oh, it does kind of, but not... I wouldn't say it does well, although it's got a like a soft coat in there, so it doesn't really stick to it that well. It works, but... yeah. That's a little bit strange. So we have the cleaner. Said it's to wipe clean. Use this for any of these surfaces, smartphones, tablets, lenses, laptops, whatever you wish to clean, you can clean with this. Anything else in here? I don't think so. It's just instructions. Okay. That comes out. Oh, that's a nice material. So that material is for wiping clean as well. And it's a little spray bottle. I'll have a look later how to open it. Ah, there you go. Spray bottle that also has liquid in it already. That's cool. So I can already use that. And it's nice that it comes in that container, so it's nice and safe. Let's have a look at the next packet. So we have a pen, a dry erase pen, cleaning tablets, and I'm not sure what. Not quite sure what that's for. They're elastic bands of some kind. Can't remember that being in it. Let's have a look. Yeah, it doesn't say that you get those. is that to hold that in place? See, it didn't say that, but I'm guessing then, is that like a traditional notebook? Do that, I guess? Nope, because that doesn't work. So what in the world have they put elastic bands in there for? I'm going to have a look. There's nothing about elastic bands in... Hey, it's just an elastic band. I don't know. There are tablets. Or one... There's a couple of tablets in there. 5 tablets. So that you add to water to make the cleaning stuff there. Oh, there's a little bit of extra rubber, but here we go. Anyway. Let's have a look. What's it like to write on? It's fine. It's like it's a rougher texture than like a normal whiteboard because it is rubberized. But that seems to be fine. Can I just wipe it off with that? Right, that's not very good for just wiping that. It does it. Not very well, not very well, not very well. I shall have to get a normal cleaning cloth. Have it in my pocket, so I'd always carry one. So a normal cleaning cloth. Yeah, I think it definitely wants a bit of a spritz. Which, can you see it there? That seems to have pretty much gone. Interesting, interesting, interesting. So the case is just kind of... I don't understand that. I'm going to have a look at the video and see what it says. So you can write notes, do whatever you need to. Now, it does say that you can use any pen you want to. But I'm dubious of trying that. What pen is this? As long as this is not a permanent marker. All right, this is a normal Inkscape ballpoint pen. So I've written on that, it said it's got a slightly rough texture to it. So it doesn't feel like a normal surface, but yeah, that works. It actually works better than the dry marker. But it means the way the dry marker works, it's not going to rub off on your fingers. You have to physically wipe it off. Oh, that's not bad. So if I close it up, the pen should, in theory, fit in there. But then it doesn't close properly. Do that? Is it? Right, kind of does when you do that. No. That is kind of frustrating that doesn't work quite the way it wants, because that doesn't hold anything in place. So you've got that. Right, it does stay. Once again, if I open it, so you want it on both sides, but if you want it like that, it falls straight out. That I find really, really frustrating. Still a couple of marks. Because you're trying to write on it, and it just falls off. That's a little bit frustrating. Right, tell you what, let's watch the promotional video and see what it says and see if I'm doing something wrong, shall we?
Hey, what if your notebook was phone-sized and reusable? Meet HEYfold Mini, the ultra-thin, reusable notebook. The phone-sized revolution in note-taking. As portable as your phone, HEYfold Mini slips easily into your pocket and goes everywhere with you. Reusable again and again. Powered by advanced material technology, HEYfold lets you write, erase, and rewrite endlessly. Either dry or wet wipe. It stays clean day after day. Superior writing experience. Dry, erase, or ballpoint, HEYfold Mini adapts to your favorite pens. Enjoy a smooth writing experience. With the fast drying and a smudge-proof result. Even if a spill happens, your notes stay safe. And it keeps going, rain or shine. The one-of-a-kind mini notebook. Minimalist design, You design your own cover. Multiple page layouts, blank, lined, dotted. Perfect for everything from quick sketches to big strategies. The inner rigid board keeps it stable. No desk needed. Open it flat and double your space. Magnetic and versatile. Built-in magnets keep it organized. Attach it to a fridge or a whiteboard. It can also hold your pen. With the snap-on cover, it's more than protection. One cover, everything you need. Eco-smart, future-ready. Keep what matters. Scan, save, and take it with you. Reusable for years. Save more than 10,000 sheets of paper. Your everyday carry, smarter. From daily notes to on-the-go moments. One notebook everywhere you go. With multiple HEYfold Minis, you will never lose track of what matters. Ready to think big in a mini space? HEYfold Mini. Minimal in form, endless in use. Back us now, live on Kickstarter.
Okay, so with that, you are just supposed to clip it like that, which, I don't know, it doesn't seem ideal, but I guess it works. So it doesn't say that the cover is suitable for kind of writing as is open. It's obviously not, because it doesn't stay there, does it? It's not very magnetic. See, it's just falling off there. So that, I think, is a little bit disappointing. I think the cover needs a little bit more magnetism for that, and that isn't great either. That is so weak. Look, I expected a little bit more than that. Yeah, that's a little bit disappointing. But the fold itself, so let's have a look. I didn't notice until I watched that back that there's actually an eraser on the end. So let's have a look. If I could write properly, couldn't it? So that's fine. And how easy is it? That's actually not bad. I do like how quickly it dries. Obviously, you can still see a little bit on there. Kind of makes me think of like e-ink, doesn't it? Where until you refresh the page fully, you get a little imprint of it. That's fine. You can just do that and wipe it all off fully. And that is completely clean. And that is nice and easy to carry around. So it's safe to carry around because you can't accidentally press the button. Or you can, but it's not going to affect anything. Let's clean that off. So you can press it, but not easily. Nothing will accidentally press. If you put your finger in it, yeah, you can press a button. That's fine. Works with a normal pen as well, which is great also. That's nice to have the dry erase with the built-in eraser. That's it. I don't know why I've got elastic bands, because they don't really do anything. So that is a little bit strange. Nothing in there says anything about it. No, nothing about why they've included 3 rubber bands. No idea. Very strange. A little bit confused by those because I can't see a use for them because they're too big for anything. Because they're not exactly tied either, are they? Strange. I'll have to look into that. Anyway, overall, it's okay. I think it definitely has uses, and I will be utilizing it on my holiday because it's nice to have something you can just write. And because I'm going on a cruise, this would be ideal for kind of daily itinerary things you want to do, because all the walls in a cruise room are magnetic because they're all metal. I can just stick that to it. Just go boop, with what we're doing the next day. So I think that's what that's going to be useful for. But, you know, other than that, it's just going to sit in my bag and come out for useful notes that I need to erase. But I think for the cruise, this would be ideal because, like I said, what I can do in the evening while we're preparing for the next day is open up, put it on the wall, put down any times of anything we need to do. If like we've got an excursion, like we're going to Naples as part of the trip, so we're going to go to Pompeii. So this would be ideal to say what time we have to go, what time our visit to Pompeii is, any notes of particular places we need to be, prices of things, ticket numbers, that sort of thing, put on there on the wall, and then fold it up, put it away, take it with me, so we've always got that. So from that, I think that'll be useful, but I think this cover is a bit of a waste of space, to be honest. I would have liked that to have stuck to it better. The magnet there is poor. That's hardly got anything in it. It's yeah, that for me is a disappointment. That isn't great. So once again, no, none of the magnets are strong enough. I think the magnets on this itself are pretty good. Yeah, it's not particularly strong. I'll say that for it. I don't think I've got anything kind of metal around me, have I? It's a little bit annoying. I should have thought of that, but I didn't, because I didn't expect it to be that kind of lackluster. I did expect it to kind of be a little bit more magnetic, but I'll try it on a fridge, see how it goes. It's not. It is definitely a rubberized feel. You can feel it's rubber, and it feels okay. The quality is nice. It's just a shame the magnets are a bit lacking. Anyway, that's it from me for now. I'm gonna go get ready for my cruise and then report back on how useful it was after it. Thanks all for joining me. Please like, comment, subscribe, all the usual stuff, and catch you again later. Bye bye.